Alright, let's have a match. Don't mind the dirty laundry. So let's grab it over here. Up. Yeah, fighting match. So I had 8 losses in a row just to figure out the game. Now 4 wins in a row. The last 3 days. So it's actually a pretty good cardio with this game. After 1 round, sitting at 200 calories burned. So pretty awesome. Yep, I have the Flemish line colors, the yellow and the black. Vlaanderen de Leeuw. Let's go. Always waiting for others. Story of my life. Come on. Who disconnected? What the mind your language. Finishing up, huh? What happened? What? Win by forfeit? Huh? How? Bad connection, I guess. 10-9. What's the score about? 4-9. That was the last one. He forfeited after 1 round. So rank match, fight match. Come on, man. I have my water over there between rounds. Have a little sip. Might as well do that right now. Aha! Okay. I'm ready. Alright. Don't judge the book by the cover, but...
Is your corner ready?
Let's go.
Get ready. Box.
Okay, good. Time to get serious. Nope. Let's go, man. Come on. Oh, hit me gets. Defense.
One, 2, 3, 4.
Sorry, man.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ladies and gentlemen, your winner is
Again, 1 round.
the red corner.
Ha! The golden glove. Oh, come on. I want to go for 3, man. Damn it. That's really silly. What? No damage? Huh? Only the option to disconnect. What the hell? What? Yeah, alright. Still the triads version, I think. So, turn 5 wins, but yeah, that's not really a winner, is it? So, another one. So, yeah, Let's hope this is a good match, better match. So in total, I had including the training dummy, 1.5 matches now. So cardio is still pretty good. I'm at 150 heart rate, so I'm 37, so 220 minus 37. That's your maximum heart rate. Hey there.
Seconds out.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, get ready.
Yep.
Box on.
All right, he's coming, he's coming. Let's go for some jabs. Don't trust him. Yeah, he's hurt. Let's get him. What the fuck are you doing? Huh? What kind of a technique is that? Huh? What is happening, man? What? No, this is my gym, man. Well, fucking cheater. Come on! Come on!
Stop.
Fuck off. I'm sorry. Asshole. Yeah. Gonna film it tomorrow with a GoPro. How I fight. It's not that fancy, but might be fun to watch. Yeah, let's go. USA. What a dirty pervert.
Seconds out.
All right.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Fight.
No touching gloves, motherfucker.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, you all right?
I don't think so.
Okay, get ready. Let's fight.
What the fuck, man?
1,
He's
Two.
done.
3,
Think he's tired.
4, 5, 6,
Come on.
7, 8. Are you okay?
Not again. He quit.
Ladies
come on.
and gentlemen,
What?
your winner is the blue corner.
Cardio, heart rate 156. Yeah. 58. Another win, but not like I wanted it to be. Alright. VS Rambo. Rambo. You see difference? Damage 457. They're changing the damage system, I think. It was much higher yesterday. It was in the thousands, and now it's, yeah, cool. All right, as you can hear, maybe see, this is a perfect workout. Oh, you can change the room setting, customization. Oh no, settings. Yep. Settings, and then you can enable the gym. So yeah, pretty nice. We're in an actual gym, so it seems. But this is a real good way to enhance your cardio. You can. Oh, I just bought VR stuff. Still figuring it out a little bit. So training. Test the new system. Why not? It's maybe why it's. Oh yeah, it's like this. You have to push the other button. So here you can exercise on the dummy. So I often do the jab. I like to do a little bit of George Foreman style ish. Always keep the hand to your face, and then just you can see from just little jabs it's always 20. If you do it a bit faster, it's 35. So I'm sure if you hit him with a combo of this, up, look, 60. So to the body, up, up, and then to the head, and again to the body. So again, I go like this. They tend to forget about this hand. So up, up, and then this hand comes back, up, and as you can see, that's a combo of yeah, 20, 30, whatever. Then 60, and then 40 this time. So yeah, don't use the hooks too much. They're not like, especially in this mode, I cannot see my room, so it's a bit difficult to to go full blast. So I tend to stay in the 1-2 position, 1, 2, 3, up, 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 and then again, up, up, up. Yeah, this is my favorite. It's a quick one, just up, 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 going for the face, up, 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 up. Nice. All right. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time for a car adventure or a silly little cooking show. Thanks for watching. Buy this game if you can afford it. It's €6. Of course, the glasses are a bit more, but I saw you can buy them for starting from €250 to €60 for MetaQuest 3 version. So buy yourself one. Have the MetaQuest 3 normal version with the free Batman game, but the game wasn't my thing. I just wanted to box or play ping pong. You know, ping pong and ding dang, always fun. So yeah, thanks for watching. Time to shut up for me and go work. Okay, second round starting. I think I'm pretty tired at this point. So let's see how we do. He didn't went down, didn't go down, but like 5 times his face turned. Not so happy. So let's tighten the glasses up. VR stuff.
Mouthpieces in, seconds out.
Man.
Get ready. Box on.
I wish I could get out of this thing. The circle. Oh. What the fuck? Huh? Again? Oh, come on.
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner is
Cardio.
the red corner.
To the roof. So, again, but damn it. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Think I have to wait for score to count. I don't know. I have to go work again. That's a good warm up for winter time. Although my toes are freezing. You can disconnect. Okay, whatever. Oh, almost even. 7 wins in a row. Nice. But yeah, this isn't really. My rating was a 772. Now I'm 917. So is it a score system where you rise with points, or I don't know. I was expecting the opposite. All right. So thanks for watching again. Catch you for one. Keep on winning, baby.